Once upon a time in a faraway land there lived a beautiful white horse. His coat was as white as snow, his mane and tail flowed like liquid silver, and he loved to run through the forest, feeling the wind in his hair. One day, while he was grazing in a meadow, he saw something that made him stop. In the morning sun, thousands of diamonds glittered on the ground. They sparkled and shone, and the horse couldn't take his eyes off them. "Oh, how I wish I could be like you," the horse sighed, free and sparkling. A little rabbit that was hopping nearby twitched his nose. "Why do you want to be like those diamonds? You already have something much more precious, but you don't even realize it." "What do you mean?" asked the horse, puzzled. The rabbit hopped a little closer. "You have something inside you that is far more beautiful than any diamond. But you are too busy looking at the diamonds to see it." The horse looked at the rabbit, confused. He didn't understand what he meant. So the rabbit did something. He quickly ran behind a bush and peeked out from behind it. Then he wiggled his nose and twitched his ears and hopped around in a circle. The horse gasped. "Are you a little diamond come to life?" he asked, amazed. The rabbit laughed. "No, silly. I'm just a rabbit. But look around you," he said. "Do you see anything that looks like me?" The horse looked around. At first he didn't see anything. Then he noticed tiny sparkles that glistened in the morning sun. At first they were just a few, but then he started seeing them everywhere. Thousands of them. Little diamonds scattered across the meadow, each one sparkling and shining. The horse felt ashamed. He had been so busy looking at the diamonds on the ground he hadn't noticed the real diamonds all along. The ones inside him. The ones that made his coat shimmer and shine. The ones that made his mane and tail flow like silver. He looked at the rabbit and bowed his head. "I'm sorry I didn't see it before," he said. "You were right. I have something much more beautiful than any diamond." The rabbit smiled. "You're a kind horse and a beautiful horse, and you have a good heart," he said. "That is much more beautiful than any diamond." Then the rabbit hopped away as quickly as he had come, and the horse was left alone in the meadow with the sparkling diamonds. For a moment he felt sad that he hadn't realized what he already had. But then he shook his head and started to run. He ran through the forest, feeling the wind in his mane, feeling the sun on his back, feeling the ground beneath his hooves. And as he ran, he realized that the rabbit was right. He didn't need to be a diamond, because he already had something much more beautiful. He had his freedom, he had his strength, he had his beauty, and most of all, he had his kind heart. From that day on, the horse never forgot what the rabbit had taught him. And whenever he saw a sparkling diamond, he remembered that the real treasure was inside him all along. The end.